Happy Wednesday. It's Wowing Wednesday with Miss Beth at Madison 4-H. Today we are going to attempt to make a rubber band powered car out of a ketchup bottle. Yep, you can use a ketchup bottle, you can use a mustard bottle, make sure it's empty and washed out, but either way, you can use either of those. All right, so what you're gonna need for this project is you're gonna need a recycled bottle. You're gonna need four caps. I think this came from Juice, and this, I'm not sure what this came from. So, but I have two different sizes. You can have them all four the same size. I think it might be easier, but I didn't have four. I had two of each, so that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna need a couple of wooden skewers. They're gonna be cut. I'm gonna show you in just a minute how to do that. You're gonna need a knife, okay? Let your mom and dad use this. You don't need to use it because I haven't done a first aid video yet, so we don't want to use this and get cut and not knowing what to do with first aid. So I'll do my first aid video soon. Also, you're gonna need some little clippers to actually clip this, or you can use a knife or scissors or whatever. Glue gun, hot glue gun. Love my hot glue gun. Great. I used a drill to actually drill the holes in my lids, and also to drill holes in here. So the first thing that we have to do is, we have to use our, and I forgot, you need a rubber band, okay? That's the motor. There's your engine right there, okay? First thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to take your knife and you're gonna cut a hole. I've already done it, look at there. Cut a hole on one side of your bottle, okay? That way you can get in there, because you're gonna need to be able to reach in there to work on your motor. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our skewers, yeah, couldn't think of the word there. We're gonna put our wheels on our skewer there, okay? I'm gonna take some glue. I think it's hot enough, we'll see. Oh, no, not quite hot enough, so we'll let that warm up just a little bit. Whoops. And we'll put this, oh, I forgot. Yeah, you're gonna need to put holes. I actually used the drill and drilled 4 holes, 2 here and 2 here. And you want them to be straight across from one another, because you want them to be the same height from the bottle, because if you don't, then your car's gonna be jacked up kind of like this or like this, and then it won't work. You know how I know? Tried it already, didn't work. So this is my second go of it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we will go ahead and start this, and we'll put our other big wheel on the back. If you use different size wheels, lids, you will probably need to put the bigger ones on the back, okay? All right, so there we go. Kind of make them straight. There, that's pretty straight. Well, it was. The hardest part I have found is actually making sure the wheels are straight, because if they're not straight, they don't roll real well. All right, so also I'll take the rubber bands on the back and go ahead and put these on. These are for like traction on a smooth surface. These little wheels won't turn as well. You have to get something that'll help them. All right, so I got these wide rubber bands that I had, and we'll put them on there. They're a little big, but they're pretty good. They'll work. They'll work. Okay, so there's that. Now, see if our glue is ready. Oh, our glue is ready. So we will glue this to our skewer. That's our axle. We're gluing the axle to the wheel. Okay, here again on this one, because you don't want it to spin. It needs to grip that wheel. That axle needs to be attached to that wheel. Okay, so make sure we get enough glue on there that it'll be attached to it. All right, so kind of straighten them a little bit best I can. They're not gonna be perfect, but hey, this is Miss Beth. Nothing's ever perfect. All right, so I'm gonna take my clippers, and I'm just gonna clip the extra off of that right there. Okay, so there are our back wheels, and there you go. Now we're gonna do the same with the front wheels. Okay, I'll put our wheel there on there, and make sure it's straight. Now this one's going to be tough because I may need to put some glue on this side as well, a little bit, because the hole is a little too big. I don't know what happened. Okay, so we're going to make sure that dries straight. So hot glue guns are really good, but you got to be careful with them because they will burn you bad. There again, first aid, I haven't done that yet. So that might be my next Wowing Wednesday. So trying to get this to dry. It's having a little hard time there drying. We'll go ahead and put the other one on as that one dries. Slide that in there like that. Okay. And we'll put this one on. Same thing. Make sure we have enough glue to make it attach to the skewer, which is our axle. Okay. Alright, so those are a little wobbly in the front. That's interesting that it is doing this. A little bit of glue here on this side. Not a lot. And you can experiment. That's what makes this is so cool. You can experiment with different size. So our next thing we have to do is we have to take our rubber band and we make our motor, okay? What you're going to do is you are going to, inside on your back wheel of your car, you're going to take the rubber band, you're going to loop it like so, and then pull that side through, okay? All right, so it's on there like that. Let me show you again. Take it, you're going to loop it and pull this side through so that it's on there like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to pull that really tight, because the way it's going to work is that back axle is going to spin like this, okay? And when you let it go, the force of this rubber band, this energy, it's holding energy, okay? It's potential energy when it's sitting still, and it's kinetic when it's moving. So when it's here, it's got potential energy. There, when it moves, it's kinetic, okay? So we got potential energy, it's built up. All right, so let's see what we can do with our on our axle of our back axle of our car. All right, let's see. Maybe that is not moving real straight, but you know what? We're going to make it work. It's rolling a little bit. It rolls pretty good. We'll see. Okay, so what you're going to do is on the back axle, remember, this is kind of tricky. You might have to get a little help from your parents on this one. I may need some help with this one, but I found if you have an extra skewer, it will help because you can pull it through, okay? Maybe. There we go. All right, so I've got it looped. You can see it's looped on there, in there, that back axle. I'm gonna pull it as tight as I can so it'll get real tight around that axle there. And then you're gonna take this end, open up your jar or your bottle, the lid, and you're gonna poke that in through there, okay? Let's see if I can get it with my extra skewer. Woo, there you go, look at there. All right, so we've got it that far. All right, I'm gonna pull it. Now you want this rubber band to be tight, okay? Because that's where all your force will make your car move. So you're gonna fold it back, hold it down, and you're gonna put your rubber band, your lid back on your bottle, like so, okay? So there we go. We have our motor. Oh, it could be a guitar too. Maybe not. All right, so to make this work, we have to move everything out of the way. And back, folks. Keep your fingers crossed that this will work. So what we will do is this axle will roll that rubber band up, hopefully. If it's not tight enough, it won't, and it's not tight enough. So let's see if we can get it going the other way. All right, so I'm rolling it, rolling it, rolling it, rolling it. Okay, there we go. All right, we're gonna let it go and see how it does. The moment of truth. Oh, it went backwards. I rolled it backwards. That was not good. Try it the other way, Beth. Wrong way, Beth. That's it. That's it. Wrong way. All right, let's see how it works. Woo! Man, did you see that? How awesome was that? Let's try it on the floor. All right, let's give it a shot. On your mark, get set, go! Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Forward, 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 stop. Perfect. Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to Wowing Wednesday with Miss Beth in Madison County 4-H. Today we're going to make a rubber band powered car with things you might have from around the house. So what we need is a rubber band, preferably one not broken.